are the latest weather conditions at 1 p.m. in Little Rock. Haze was reported. The temperature was 78 degrees. At North Little Rock, the temperature was 76, dew point 72, humidity 89. The wind was southwest at 5 miles an hour. The barometer was 29.9. This is a special weather statement for the following counties in Arkansas: Faulkner, Lonoke, Pulaski, and Lloyd. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northwestern Lonoke, southeastern Faulkner, southwestern White, and northeastern Pulaski counties through 2:15 p.m. At 1:32 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Bologna, or 8 miles east of Conway, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and nickel-size hail.
What the hell?
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Woodruff County in eastern Arkansas, northern Prairie County in central Arkansas, north central Lonoke County in central Arkansas, north central Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, southern White County in central Arkansas until 3 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Higginson, or 9 miles south of Searcy, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Searcy, Augusta, Des Arc, Beebe, Ward, Austin in Lonoke County, Judsonia, Kinston, Higginson, Patterson, West Point, Hunter, Old Austin, McCrory, Hurricane Lake Wildlife Management Area, Sylvania, Thurman, Pryor, McRae, Cotton Plant. Here are the latest weather conditions at 1 p.m. at Little Rock. Haze was reported.
Which gone plug it?
The temperature was 70.